Hey y'all, welcome to Cajun Rnewbbq. I'm Bones. Glad you could join me today. Today is Cajun Rnewbbq versus Pit Barrel Cooker Part 2. First off, some house cleaning business. I want to first publicly apologize to Pit Barrel Cooker. I've got like 10 different email addresses. I couldn't tell you which one I contacted you back in 2019 on. It's going to take me a while before I try to figure out which one it was. So, I'm not going to waste any more time. So, I apologize. You might have got back to me back then. I don't know. I'm not going to go look anymore. So, I'm sorry. You might have got back to me. So, who knows? Now, on to some new business. They stated that you don't temp a grill for them the way I did. You don't temp an empty grill. Meanwhile, you can temp every other grill that's on the market the same way I did, and it'll give you an accurate temperature reading, but on their grill, you don't do that. So, I don't understand. But with them, you don't do that. Okay, we'll move on. Now, I've had a couple other people on Instagram and on YouTube both contact me saying that their vent opening is just enough to put a number 2 pencil into, or something similar of that small diameter size. In the next clip, you will see that I can fit something bigger than a 3/8 inch drill bit or a carpenter pencil into that opening size at the full rest position before I even maneuver it into the opening position where it's set for my altitude, which then I can still fit a 3/8 drill bit. So, begs to differ. Is my pit drilled correctly? They want to say it is. I beg to differ. But anyway, now, I'm going to go ahead and do what they suggest, which is let the chicken run for 2 hours. There's going to be detractors that say you need to check it at the 90-minute mark. I'm being told to let it run for 2 hours. So that's what I'm going to do, is let it run for 2 hours. We'll see where it goes. Let's go on and do what we need to do. Let's cook that chicken. Okay, this is the vent opening at rest. This is a number 2 pencil. Most people say that theirs is just the size of a number 2 pencil. Meanwhile, I can stick in a 3/8 drill bit. Here's a carpenter pencil. There's a 3/8 drill bit. There goes the little number 2 pencil. So you tell me what size my opening's supposed to be. But a lot of people say that their opening is only the size of a number 2 pencil. Alright, my opening is supposed to be like that top one. So, There we go. Yeah. I can still fit in the 3/8 drill bit, carpenter pencil, everything else. So y'all tell me what's going on here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and fill up. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 12 coals I took out. I started a timer for 10 minutes for the coals because that's the time frame they told me to go ahead and pull them, to go ahead and dump them into the pit. So now we're going to go ahead and start seasoning up our bird. Go ahead and spray on some spray butter. Our seasoning we're going to use is Pit Barrel Cooker's all-purpose rub. Figured we're going to do their test. Go ahead and use their rub. I've also got their turkey hanger, which you just go ahead and shove it right down the end of the turkey here. I mean the chicken. Just like that. Take the hanger portion, run it through. Go ahead and throw some more on top of this bird. And now we're done. We're going to go ahead and let it sit till we're ready to put it on the smoker. All right, it's 10 minutes. Go ahead now, dump these in. Go ahead and let the grill come up to temp now. Okay, I waited 10 minutes. I timed it now for some other coals to catch temp before I went ahead, and now we're putting the chicken onto the grill. I don't know what the temperature is. I'm not even going to temp the bird. We just going to let it ride for 2 hours. I'm going to go ahead and set the timer now. For 2 hours. Look at that. 2 hours. It's starting now. So let's go ahead. Now we wait. So it's been an hour. I so want to peek in there to see what the bird looks like. Get a temp reading. But not going to do it. A lot of smoke been pouring out of there. Some thick white smoke. But not going to peek in there to see what this bird looks like. We're going to wait that extra hour. Pull it out. See what we got. Alright. Time is up. Let's see what this bird looks like. Definitely very dark. Darker than what I like. Just read a temp of 200 degrees. I say that's well overcooked. So the chicken's been resting here now for about 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and check the temp in the breast. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's still reading 191 degrees in the breast. Of course, there'll be people that say I should have pulled it at 90 minutes, but hey, I was told to go up to 2 hours. So I'm just doing what I'm told. You know, it is what it is. Probably use this chicken for pulled chicken. I can hear some moisture in the bird still. But there's really not a lot of moisture coming out of the bird like I'm typically used to. Let's go ahead and cut a piece off. All right, let's go do that taste test. All right, here we go. Gotta say, I love the spices. Nice hit of black pepper and paprika. Overall, very impressed with that. Chicken has some bit of moisture to it for being well over temperature. But I know when I go rewarm it, it's not going to be all juicy. So I'm going to have to mix it with some sauce or some coleslaw or something to get that moisture in there. So overall, I know there's going to be detractors saying I should have checked it at 90 minutes. You know, should have had a temperature probe in there to pull it at 165 instead of let it running it for a whole 2 hours. But hey, like I said, I was doing what I was told. So will I keep the pit? At this present moment, I don't know. Like I say, I've had this pit since 2019. I've been trying to work with it. I've done many videos on it, trying to get it right. I've lost many videos because of it. I just, at this present moment, I can't tell you whether or not I'm going to keep it or sell it. So I don't know. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Y'all have a good day.